At Arkkosoft, we design and implement cloud-based solutions that accelerate innovation and deliver measurable impact. We help organizations scale faster, integrate smarter, and unlock the full potential of data and AI across multi-cloud environments. Let's explore some of our cloud-powered success stories. In this first success case, we built smart dashboards for Costa Rican municipalities, fully powered by AWS. Using QuickSight, Glue, Lambda, and Amplify, we created a cloud-native reporting system that transforms Excel files into real-time interactive dashboards for key municipal operations. The result: faster insights and greater transparency for local governments. In this second success case, we developed an AI predictive model for public procurement. Leveraging Azure Machine Learning and Power BI, we created a cloud-based system that predicts bid outcomes and automatically identifies procurement risks. The result: improved efficiency and stronger accountability in public spending. In this third success case, we built an AI-powered public sector chatbot. Using AWS Lambda, Lex, and Bedrock, this cloud-native chatbot allows citizens to query municipal codes naturally and securely. The result: faster, easier, and more inclusive access to public information. We turn cloud technology into real impact. Let's build something extraordinary together. Connect with Arkkosoft today